will be thinking that who I am a human, and my dust was sent to the earth in the form of a woman. Having escaped from myself and from people and from people's gasps, fleeing and running, the clock was shattered somewhere along the way. So for shame, I have hidden my half face with my hair, but behind them, though fate I can't see. The second eye is weird, strange. The sun, moon, and stars are emerging in my second eye, but I'm scared because I've seen some old people with naked trunks and probably guns in their hands, and they're marching towards the moon. No, it's not possible. No explosives on the moon. No need for corona again. I'm closing my second eye with force so that the moon breaks and the people may not reach there. But that doesn't close even on my pushing. The sun, the moon, and all this do not break, and the people are growing in number. But I'll not let them reach. I'll not let them carry explosives on the moon. No. There, they put the tent pegs on the ground, and here this woman means I put knife on my pulse, peg grounded, and here the pulse is cut. Thick red blood flows to the ground like a line, and sleeping and smiling, that woman means I'm announcing that I didn't let the explosives reach moon. There will be no corona on moon. Moon will not be cursed.